Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, let's go back to Nairobi. Well, if you've been watching my videos, you know that I've been in Machakos for some times, and this video I'm preparing on my way back to Nairobi. Well, from my previous video, you know that this is the way that will take you to the marketplace. So you get to the marketplace before you get to stage from where I used to stay. So to be precise, I've been living in Mwanda sub-county in Machakos County. So this is my way to the stage. Going to board my vehicle to get to Machakos town. So on the right we have one Catholic church. Then going forward we have, now you can see from afar the stage. Then just after the stage, after crossing the road, you can see Mwala School. That is Mwala Boys. It's called Mwala School. So I went, I boarded the vehicle. Then I went to Machakos town. Here from here to Machakos town is quite some distance. It's like Kenya shillings 200 or 150 to get to Machakos town. So I boarded the vehicle and off I went to Machakos town. So here's Makutano, a junction. When you are on Machakos Kitui Road, when you're on Machakos Kitui Road, you take a junction. This junction is going to Mwala, so you can call it Makutano ya Mwala, or because the junction that is taking you to Mwala. Yeah, so when you leave Machakos Kitui Road, you get to this junction called Makutano Junction. It's kind of like a small market. So here we are turning right to enter Machakos Kitui Road. So on the right, that's on the way going to Machakos, and back it's on the way going to Kitui. So this one is Machakos Kitui Road. This next town we call it Masi. So this Masi is a common town, or on your way to Kitui. If you're from Machakos to Kitui, there's a market called Masi. It's so common. So most activities are carried out here in Masi. We have level 4 hospitals here. We have so many things here in Masi. So this is a big town, or let me say it's a big market center. we are now entering Machakos town, or let me say Machakos stage, where I'll get another vehicle that I'll board and take me now to Nairobi, because there's no direct route or there's no direct vehicle from Mwala to Nairobi. That's why we are supposed to take another one vehicle that will take me from Mwala to Machakos town, then from Machakos town to Nairobi town. So here we are entering Machakos stage or Machakos town stage, where I'll board another vehicle. So as you can see, we are entering the stage. We'll just stand left to get to the stage. So this is the Machakos or Machakos stage. That's where we board our vehicle. There's so many vehicles here. This is the stage where we board so many vehicles if we want to get to any place, let me say Makueni, Kitui, Nairobi, anywhere we want to go. This is the stage. So here I boarded another vehicle that's going to take me now to Nairobi town. Yes. So here is from stage. When you get to this place, so on the left is going to take you to Wote. Wote is in Makueni County. Then on the right, that's where we're going now to Nairobi. So the vehicle is going to turn right, now going back to Nairobi, or the vehicle is supposed to go back to Nairobi. As you can see, the signpost is showing on the left is Wote, right Nairobi. Well, Machakos town is so big. Well, not as big as Nairobi, because Nairobi is the capital. But Machakos is so big. It's also a well-known town, so also a well-known county. So as you all know, or as you can see, we have big hotels here. We have big supermarkets. We have so many activities that are carried out in Machakos County. We also have tourist sites. Just Google about Machakos town or Machakos County, you would see so many things about Machakos. So that's why you can see we have so many buildings on the way. And this is just a small part or a small section of Machakos County. So this is on my way back to Nairobi. So if you're on this road, it's just a straight road. When going back to Nairobi, it's just a straight road until you get to Mombasa Road. So you'll just go straight from Machakos County or Machakos town, just go straight until you get to Mombasa Road. When you get to Mombasa Road, you turn right, then you go straight to Nairobi town. It's as easy as that. you see this building, just know that you're about to get to Mombasa Road. They're usually on the right if you're from Machakos town. So, and we are going to get to another junction. That junction is also known as Makutano, but this one is on Mombasa Road. So the other time we go to a junction, it was Makutano, but that one was in Machakos Kitui Road. But this one, we are going to get to the junction. This is also called Makutano Junction also, but it's in Mombasa Road. So when we get to Mombasa Road, on Makutano Junction, we just turn right, then go straight to Nairobi town. So here we are still in, we are almost Makutano Junction, but on Mombasa Road. As you can see from afar, it's a junction, but it's a big junction, like it's a well-known junction. If you are in Nairobi, you say that you are going to Makutano or you are in Makutano, many people understand or know this place because it's a big junction. It's known for, if you are in Mombasa Road, then if you're branching to Machakos town, this Makutano. It's called Makutano Junction. As you can see, so here we are about to get to Mombasa Road on Makutano Junction. So we'll just turn right, then go to Nairobi town. So when we are here, it just feels as if you are already in Nairobi. So we turned right, then off, we went back to Nairobi. I relaxed a bit, then I found myself in Nairobi town.